1. Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak, born on July 23, 1856, was a prominent nationalist leader, teacher, and social reformer in British-ruled India. 2. Tilak played a crucial role in the Indian independence movement and was one of the key architects of the concept of Swaraj or self-rule. 3. He was a strong advocate for the promotion of Indian languages and education, emphasizing the importance of vernacular languages in schools. 4. Tilak was a co-founder of the All India Home Rule League in 1916, working towards the attainment of self-rule for India. 5. His famous slogan, "Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it," became a rallying cry for the masses during the struggle for independence. 6. Lokmanya Tilak was a fearless journalist and editor, using his platform to criticize British policies and advocate for Indian rights. 7. He initiated the celebration of the Ganesh Chaturthi festival on a public scale to unite people and promote social and political awareness. 8. Tilak's emphasis on social reform included efforts against untouchability and support for women's education and rights. 9. He was arrested several times by the British authorities for his nationalist activities but remained undeterred in his pursuit of freedom. 10. Lokmanya Tilak's legacy is celebrated in India, and his contributions to the independence movement continue to inspire generations of Indians.